guys, and welcome to the Boozy Kitchen. This is episode 2, so welcome back to those who enjoyed episode 1. And if this is your first time, then like and subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun that we have on this show. So today we're going to be making PB&J French toast. Shut the up. Yum, yum, yum. And the star of this show is 2 alcohols today. So we have our peanut butter whiskey. What? Yep, peanut butter whiskey. If you haven't tried this, oh my goodness gracious. It is so good. This is Screwball peanut butter whiskey to die for. If you like peanut butter. If you don't like peanut butter, you might like it too. So I don't know. And the other star of our show is our Chambord raspberry liqueur, which kind of looks like royal scepter. So this will create our peanut butter and jelly flavors. So I think that we need to give this a little taste test. Just a little. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Ooh, one more. Maybe another one. Ooh, is that a double? Oh my. You know, I think we need to try this with the Chambord. Just a little bit. There we go. Now we're ready. Okay, so where did this PB&J French toast come from? Well, probably a couple months ago, I made homemade peanut butter cups that were infused with this peanut butter whiskey. Shut the up. And I had some filling left over. So one lazy Sunday morning and probably a few mimosas in, voila. Did somebody say mimosas? Okay, we definitely need, I'm slurring now. Too many shots. Okay, we definitely need some mimosas while we are making our French toast. So, let's go. Come on. Oh. Don't shoot towards the camera. Ooh. Okay. This is how they do it in France, right? Come on. Wow. We got this. Hey. Just a little bit. Okay, I like grapefruit juice in my mimosa, but just a little splash. There you go. A little bit of color. Cheers. Okay, here is your list of ingredients. Okay, we'll start with 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, but if you prefer crunchy, then you be you, boo. And then we'll do a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Obviously, I use quite a bit. And 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 3 to 4 tablespoons of our peanut butter whiskey. So we'll go ahead and stir our peanut butter up with our powdered sugar. Stir, stir, stir. Get that good and mixed, and then we'll add in our unsalted butter and mix that in, and then our 3 to 4 tablespoons of peanut butter whiskey. I'm feeling 4 today, and get that good and mixed. Okay, we will start this party off with pure maple syrup, 1/2 cup, only the good stuff. And then the fresh raspberries, 1/4 cup, And then of course our lovely Chambord. We want 3 tablespoons. We're gonna mix those raspberries in with the syrup that's been heated in the microwave about 30 seconds. And then we'll strain that. If you like seeds, keep the seeds. I don't judge. Get those good and strained, and then we will add the Chambord to this party. Kick it up. Here we go. 3 tablespoons. Give it a good stir, and you're done. So easy. Okay, you want to find yourself a really good thick bread, like a challah bread or a brioche. And I found this great French toast bread right at my local grocery store. 3 eggs, heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup because we want all the fat, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and then of course 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I really like it cinnamony. If you don't, you can use less. So we'll go ahead and throw in our eggs, give them a little swish, swish, and our heavy cream. And this is so easy. You just throw everything in, your cinnamon, and swish it up, and then your vanilla. Pinch of salt, and boom, done. So this bread is going to get up close and personal, so we need to spread on some of this egg mixture to help that out a little bit. It'll help them stick together. Let's glop on this peanut butter mixture. Don't be stingy. It's so good. There we go. Best buddies. No social distancing here. Make sure you have a ginormous griddle so you can feed the entire continent of Africa. Just throw some coconut oil on there, and then your French toast will take a nice little dip in the creamy egg pool, and just fry those up until they're golden brown on each side. I like to get the edges a little crispy because I always need more oil in my life. And voila. Yum. Now we'll plate this up. Throw some raspberries. Ooh, make sure they look perfect. Drizzle on your Chambord raspberry syrup. And then let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. More sugar, of course. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.